Good day, students. In our previous video, we talked about non-Mendelian inheritance. Specifically, we discussed about codominance. So today, we'll talk about another type of non-Mendelian inheritance, and this is what we call as incomplete dominance. So in incomplete dominance, the alleles for a gene do not show or display its dominant and recessive behavior. Rather, the traits are blended or mixed. This results in an intermediate or a third phenotype. And usually, the third phenotype is intermediate between the two heterozygotes. Let's take, for example, this one. Okay. By the way, this incomplete dominance is usually shown in flowering plants. Okay. So, I have here an example, a snapdragon. So, it's a flowering plant. We have here a white snapdragon crossed with a red snapdragon. Okay. So, the offspring is this one. So, what do you notice about the offspring? So, it's color pink, right? And this characteristic, this color is intermediate between the two parents. Okay. Now, let us assign letters for this. Okay. So, let's have WW for white, RR for red, and the offspring would be RW. Now let us show the cross of a red snapdragon and a white snapdragon using a Punnett square. So we'll use RR for red and WW for white. Okay, so let's start. Here's our Punnett square here. Okay, now let us assign the letters here. So R we will put that here, and yung katabi niya lagay natin dito sa baba. Okay, itong W na to dito ilalagay natin sa taas, and then yung katabi niya dito. Okay, so let's form their offspring. So offspring number 1 here is RW. Offspring number 2 would be RW. And another offspring number 3 is still RW. And the last one is also RW. Okay, so now let us analyze the offspring one by one. Let's start with our phenotypes. Okay. So what are the possible phenotypes here? So first of all, we'll have red. Next, we will have pink. This is the heterozygous part. And then we will have white. Okay. So, let's analyze them one by one. Okay. Offspring number 1. Is that a red, a pink, or white? Okay. That is pink. Okay. Offspring number 2 is also pink. Offspring number 3 is also pink, as well as offspring number 4. So there's no red, there's no white here. Okay, so let's move on to the phenotypic ratio. So what would be the PR? Okay, so we have 0 is to 4 is to 0, right? So 0 red, 4 pink, and 0 white. Or we could just erase this one. Okay, so that is equal to 4 is to 0. That is our phenotypic ratio. Okay, now let us determine the genotypes of this cross. Okay, so for the genotype, we have the R, okay, we have RW, and we have WW. Okay? So, RR, 0. RW, bali 4, no? And then, WW is equal to 0. So, what would be our GR, or genotypic ratio, for this cross? That would be equal to 4:0. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali yan. Next, let's try to cross a pink snapdragon with another pink snapdragon. Okay? So, let's find out what will be the offspring of two pink snapdragons. Okay? By drawing a Punnett square here. Okay? Next, let us distribute their alleles. So, we have R and W. Same thing here, RW. Okay, offspring number 1. Okay? So, R, no? Lalagyan natin si R dito. And then, yung nandito sa taas, another R. Okay? So, RR. Next, offspring number 2. Okay? Again, R. And then, yung nasa taas niya is W. Okay? Next, offspring number 3 is RW. While offspring number 4 is W and another W. So, we have here this. These are the offsprings of this cross. Okay? So, let us now analyze their phenotypes. Okay? Phenotypes. So, the phenotypes would be red, okay, pink, and white. How many red? Let's analyze one by one so that hindi mahirapan. So, offspring number 1, RR. Is that a red, pink, or white? Of course, that is red. Okay? Offspring number 2, RW, that is pink. While offspring number 3 is also pink. Offspring number 4 is WW, that is equal to white. Okay? Next, let's have their phenotypic ratio, or their PR. Okay? How many red? We have 1. Okay? Pink is to 2. And white is 1. So, our phenotypic ratio for this cross is 1:2:1. Okay, now let's move on to their genotype and genotypic ratio. By the way, in terms of the percentage of the phenotype, we have 1 red, right? So that is 25%. 2 pink, so that's 50%, and 1 white, which is 25%. Okay, so let's analyze this one. Let's have their genotypes. So what are the possible genotypes? We have RR, we have RW, and we have WW. Okay, so RR, that is homozygous red, no, is 1. Okay, RW is 2. Okay, so the heterozygous combination of the two parents, and WW is 1. Okay, so what would be the GR here? Genotypic ratio is equal to 1:2:1.